everyone. I'm Mrs. Princey, Associate Professor in Mental Health Nursing. Who doesn't like to watch a movie? Each and every one of us have got our own, characters that we like in a particular movie, or we like the such and such actor or an actress. So, if the particular actor or an actress is doing a character in a cinema or in a movie, even we try to analyze or put ourselves in place of that person, and whatever that particular role or character depicts, we try to even act like them. So what is this is we are trying to analyze the emotions of a person, and we are trying to ingrain such kind of an expression or emotion, or to be like that kind of a personality. So I've got one of the important therapies, okay, which is going to help out the clients to bring about change in their personality. People who are having a problem to analyze or realize about their own personality or their own problem, or have an insight about their own illness, will be undergoing one of the treatment procedure or a therapy which is really going to help them out. One such therapy is the psychodrama. Psychodrama is otherwise called as drama therapy. So let us see today about the drama therapy or psychodrama. This drama therapy is usually used as a group therapy session. Otherwise, also you can use this drama therapy on a one-to-one basis. Who will be delivering this drama therapy? We have got a therapist known as the drama therapist, who will be using different techniques in the therapy session to help the client create the fictional story that can be portrayed. Usually, the fictitious story will be the client's own story, which will be retold through different characters. Let us see the meaning of drama therapy. Drama therapy is a type of psychological therapy that allows the client to express the emotional difficulties through the medium of drama. This could involve a variety of techniques or activities like writing and learning scripts, improvisation exercises or activities which uses the puppets and the mask. So you can understand a drama therapy is a very important psychotherapy which will enable the client to express or to release those emotions in the form of acting, or in the form of the various characters, in the form of playing the role in the dramas or acting out. We've got another meaning of psychodrama. Psychodrama is an action technique in the group therapy which allows the client to explore their problems through the role playing and other dramatic devices to gain the behavioral skills as well as the insight. So through the psychodrama, the clients will be playing the various role, or we say role playing, which will enable them to gain the insight about their own self, and which is going to help them to bring about changes in their behavior or the personality. We've got the next meaning of psychodrama. Psychodrama is a therapeutic discipline which uses action methods, sociometry, role training in group dynamics to facilitate the constructive change in the lives of the participants. So in the psychodrama, we are using these various methods or activities which will be recorded, and the training will be given for playing a particular role, the group dynamics, how to work in a group, that will be learned, which is going to finally bring about a change in the clients or the participants. So that is about the meaning of the psychodrama or drama therapy. So moving on to the aims of drama therapy. So what is the aim of the psychodrama? Number one, it is going to help in solving a problem, or any kind of the emotional issues or difficulties the client is undergoing, through the role playing or through the psychodrama, it is going to help the client to understand about himself or put himself in the place of the other person and realize the changes that he has to bring about in his behavior and personality, which is going to help him again to learn the better coping skills, thereby he can solve his problem. The second aim is to achieve the catharsis. So, what is catharsis? It is one of the treatment procedures which is used, right, to release out all the emotional conflicts or the painful experience to be ventilated out through a mechanism called as the catharsis. Psychodrama is also one of the methods wherein through which you can release the tensions or the conflicts of the patient, right? So that is, it will help in the process of catharsis. The next important aim is to bring about the self-awareness. Self-realization is very important, to know about his own self, to know about what is the problem with his own self, right? So it is going to help the client to gain the self-awareness or to help him gain the insight. The next aim is to explore and overcome unhealthy behavior. So, whatever the unhealthy behavior it can be, right? It can be the anger, aggression, or the suicide or depression. So, whatever the unhealthy behavior an individual or the client is having, through the psychodrama, it will help them to explore those, and it will give them or teach them the new techniques to overcome those behavioral difficulties. The last aim is to improve the social skills. So what is this social skill? Psychodrama is usually conducted in a group session, or it is one of the group therapy. So you have got the other people or other client who is there with you when you undergo a psychodrama. It is going to give you an opportunity to socialize with them, to associate with them. So it is a therapy which aims at improving the social skills. So these are the various aims of the psychodrama. Moving on to a little bit of history of the drama therapy. So how this drama therapy was actually recognized and how it was being inculcated in the field of treatment with psychiatric disorders. So they say that there is link between the drama and the field of psychology. So whatever the person's inner conflicts or emotions which cannot be expressed through the expression or through the drama, he will be able to express it out. So through the enacting or through acting out, he will be expressing his conflicts or he will be expressing his feelings or behavior. So that is, we can say that there is a link between drama and the psychology. We've got Aristotle, a Greek philosopher, who coined the term catharsis. So catharsis is a way or a treatment process of releasing the strong and repressed emotions which will be relieved once the client undergoes a drama therapy or the catharsis session. So we can say that catharsis is a channel wherein the client will be able to express all his emotions out, and how it will be done through the psychodrama.